World War II soldiers faced bullets, bombs, and dirty underwear. But with no laundromats on the front lines, how did they keep their clothes clean? It wasn't all mud and grime. The military had a secret weapon mobile laundry units. These truck-mounted or tent-based setups followed the troops, washing thousands of uniforms every day. Soldiers handed in their dirty clothes and got clean ones back, not always their own, but clean enough. Hygiene wasn't just for comfort, it helped prevent disease and boost morale. But when those laundry trucks couldn't make it, like in the jungles of the Pacific, soldiers had to get creative. Rivers, canteens, and even helmets became makeshift washing machines. Soap, if you had it. Sand, if you didn't. And don't ask about the smell when the sun wouldn't shine and nothing would dry. Sometimes, help came from the locals. In places like France or Italy, soldiers paid civilians, often women, to wash their uniforms. It was a small comfort, and a rare piece of normal life during wartime. Life at sea? Not bad. Navy ships had full-blown laundry rooms with industrial washers. Not luxurious, but way better than hand-scrubbing socks in a foxhole. Still, many soldiers went days or even weeks in the same uniform. Trench foot, lice, infections, these were real threats, and dirty clothes didn't help. They fought hard, slept rough, and sometimes just didn't have time to care about being clean. Whether by truck, river, or friendly neighbor, soldiers in World War II found a way to stay clean. Because in the middle of war, even fresh socks could feel like a little victory. If you enjoyed this glimpse into soldier life during World War II, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out our next video on what they ate in the trenches. Spoiler alert, it wasn't steak.